As you exhale, you can plant your palms, step back to plank. So we'll do this up dog variation one more time. If you guys want, feel free to take it into cobra. Otherwise, if you want up dog variation, stay in plank, spread the toes, tuck the toes, squeeze your butt, squeeze your core, push the hips down and forward towards the backs of your wrists, and then spread through the collarbones, lift your sternum forward through your arms and then up towards the sky. Right, and then butt is tight, squeeze, press the backs of the knees up, press your heels back. I don't know about you, but this is very alive. Let's just call it that. I feel very alive. Like, can we get the fuck out of here? Yes, Simon says yes. Back to plank pose, take it easy. Downward facing dog, hips go up and back. All right, so let's work into one more half split, you guys. Let's take the right leg up and back. Feel free to open the hip if you want. Leg bent or straight. And then as you're ready, step your right foot between your hands. Nice and slow. I'm going super slow. Got a squirrel on my toes. Watch out, buddy. I got to step my right foot forward. And then once you can, stack left knee down. Sorry about that. Stack the left hip over the left knee, straighten your right leg out in front of you. One more half split. Now, I am encouraging you to try this. You don't have to. Walk your left knee back a little bit more, right? So walk the right heel forward a little more. Walk the left knee back a little more. We are approaching the progression to full splits. It does not matter how much or little you move your back knee, but I want you to feel the connection of the right hamstring to the left hip flexor and quad. Does that make sense to you guys? In a way that makes you feel happy to be doing this and not like, holy shit, I hate yoga. Don't think that. Hopefully won't. Right, so and then the same thing as warrior one, you're just going to kind of press the front of the left hip forward, pull the right hip back. And I'll tell you guys, over the next couple of breaths, we'll move right to pigeon pose on this side. So if you like this and you want to hang longer here, stay here. When you are ready to find half pigeon,